So in yesterday class, we discussed tooltips, but I think some error, so that's why it's not run properly. So I can resolve this error. Basically, in this code, the error is like alpha. I mean the uh, like tooltips, the spelling mistakes. So basically, that's why it's not run properly. I just run this. So the output. Yeah. So when I click this, so it's give me that this is the tooltips tip text. So basically, the tooltips is used for the extra information. When we hover the link, so it's give the detail about the particular click upon the link. So it's give the information about that. Have you any doubt in this tooltips tip? Hello, hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay. In the previous sessions, we discussed about HTML, CSS. So, have you any doubt in HTML and CSS? Anyone have not understand terms or anything in HTML and CSS? So, if you the basics are clear in HTML, CSS, then we can move for the JavaScript. So, have you any doubt in HTML and CSS? Like, have you not understand anything in HTML and CSS? So please guys tell me. So then today I discuss about JavaScript. Otherwise, we can recall the all things which we discussed in our previous class. Uh, Please tell me one by one so that I can understand. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Have you any doubt in HTML and CSS?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So shall we start the JavaScript today? Uh, if it is okay for you guys. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We should start.
Okay. Today we discuss about basic JavaScript like variables, comments, and data types and operators and pop-up window. Basically, the basic JavaScript. Have you any knowledge about what is JavaScript? Basically, why we use JavaScript?
Yes, ma'am. JavaScript is a programming language, just like HTML, CSS are used to give the structure and style. When we use JavaScript, then it's give the interactive to the elements.
Okay, very nice. Others? Hello.
JavaScript contain change the HTML content and attributes and CSS style and element and communicate with the server.
Yeah. So basically, it's a client-side scripting language. The JavaScript basically is a programming language, but it is a client-side scripting language. We discussed the syntax of JavaScript, how we write the JavaScript code or anything. So I can explain you with example. We write HTML, body, and write script tag, then language, equals to JavaScript, and type text and JavaScript. Now show the output. We write document dot write write Use script tag. Use body tag. And so basically, in JavaScript, first we write HTML and CSS. Normally, we write HTML's body and then script language is equals to JavaScript because script language is JavaScript and the type is text is Java. In CSS, we write text slash CSS in external style sheet. In this, because we're working on JavaScript, so we write text slash JavaScript, and then for the showing the output for we write document dot write. So hello welcome, and then close the script tag and close body and HTML. So save this. So it's give the output hello welcome. So have you any doubt in this? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So next is the pop-up message like alert box. Have you any idea about what is alert box and why we use the alert box in JavaScript?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. As I think when click on any link, then it's give the alert message. It's happened when using the alert box.
Yeah, very nice. So basically, the this is the pop-up box. When we click any link or button, so it gives the pop-up alert. Okay, I explain you with example. HTML body alert. Then alert. Then place the script tag. This body tag is HTML. So basically in this code we write first alert is this is the example of alert, second alert is 100 and third alert is true. So output, yeah. So the first alert this is the example, okay. Then the second alert is 100, so the output is 100, and then this is true, then the output is true. So have you any doubt in alert?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Uh, okay. So have you any idea about JavaScript frameworks? Like what type of framework we use in JavaScript? Hello, have you
No,
any
ma'am.
idea? Okay. So basically in JavaScript like AngularJS, React.js, jQuery, Node.js, so and so on. So many frameworks is available in JavaScript. So when we learn the basic JavaScript, then we can move to the frameworks of JavaScript. And the today's market, the popular framework are like Node.js, React, Angular. So this is the basic framework of JavaScript. and then discuss about JavaScript comments. So, have you any idea what is comment in basic words on basic language like C, C++? What is comment?
Non-executable statements.
Very nice. Uh, Others, have you any idea?
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah. Please, please. Yes. Hello. Okay. So basically, JavaScript comments are meaningful with in like big projects. The comments is very important, play very important role. So the basic comments is like non-executable statements basically. So the JavaScript comments are two types: single line comment and multi-line comment. So I explain you with example. Single line comment, HTML. Fine. This is the example. This is the example of comment in JavaScript. So the output is like this is the example of comment in JavaScript. So this is the comment, like this is the single line comment. So when we are create as a comment, so that's why it's not show as output. When I remove the comments, so it's not show me any output. So it's showing the output. So have you any doubt in single line comment?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is multi-line comment. This is example. script so this will show the output. This is the example of multi-line comment. So in the like real-time project, we mostly use the multi-line comments. In single-line comment is not so good. That's why we use the multi-line comment. So have you any doubt in multi-line comment?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is JavaScript variables. So have you any idea what is JavaScript variables?
Ma'am, they are used to store the data in them.
Yeah. So basically, the JavaScript variables is used to simple the use for storage location. So basically, this is the two type Java variables. Is first one is local and second one is global variables. Okay. So we discuss one by one. So have you any idea what is global variable and what is local variable?
Ma'am, global variables are those that can be accessible anywhere from the program, whereas local variable can be accessed only within the particular scope of that function.
Very nice. Uh, okay. So first we simply discuss variable, then we discuss the local and global variables. Okay. So variable. For the declaration of variable, we write var or variable. So it's give the output 30. So basically, in this code, we write variable x is equals to 10, variable y is equals to 20, and then we write variable and assign the addition of x and y in z. So in document dot write, we print the z, so it show the output 30. So have you any doubt in the variable?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is this. Global and local variable. So the global and global variable, which is accessed the inside the you can say class, and the global variable is accessible outside the class. So I explain you with example. So first is global variable. Sorry, first is local variable. It's great.
Ma'am, you haven't written the print statement.
Hello? Uh, yes, yes. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I was saying that you haven't written the print statement. That's why the output is not being shown.
Show me this.
Ma'am, the print statement must be written inside the function. Otherwise, because it is considering x as global, but it hasn't declared x as global.
So basically, it show the output 15. So have you any doubt in this? Hello?
Well,
Okay. Next is a global variable. Variables, student, H2.
In second print statement, quotes are missing.
So basically, in this code, we can declare variable data is equals to 100 and function A. So basically, the function A print this is the example one, and the function B is this is the example, and we call the function A. So it's print that this is the example one, and B print that this is the example two. So this is the local and global variable. So have you any doubt in local and global variable? Hello, hello. Have you any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is JavaScript data types. So have you any idea what is JavaScript data types? Basically, what is data type?
That defines the type or the category of the function and the variables.
Okay. Others? Okay. So basically, JavaScript data type is tells the compiler what type of data, like it is numeric, alphabet, date, etc. So basically, in JavaScript, two types of data types: primitives and non-primitive. Primitives are like string, number, boolean, null, and undefined, and non-primitive data types are object, date, and array. So in today's class, we discuss the primitive data types, and the next, like object, date, and array, we can discuss the upcoming sessions. I explain you with examples the data type. Sorry. So first just print 500 because I print only one alert. So that is why it's give me output 500. And then uh, so it's giving me the basic output of this, like where my is equals to 500 and the boolean value is true or false, and the next is null and the undefined, and this is hello, it's a string variable, string data type. So have you any doubt in data type? Hello.
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
So next is JavaScript operators. So have you any idea what is JavaScript operators and why we use JavaScript operators? In simple C language, why we use operators? Uh, any idea? Okay. So
Perform
basically, yes, yes. So please,
perform arithmetic operation.
very nice. So basically, the JavaScript operators is used for perform some sort of operations like arithmetic operations, assignment, string. So the first one is arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operator is used for perform arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, modular, modulus, etc. So I explain you with example. Hello. So
Yes,
basically,
ma'am.
it's give the addition of first 10 plus 15. So it's give the output 25, and then it subtract the value, and then multiply, and then divide, and then modulus. So have you any doubt in arithmetic operators? Hello.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the next three operator we discuss in tomorrow class. So that's it for today class. Okay. Uh, Ojis, Ojiswini ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you can take the attendance.
Yeah, just a second.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Just a second, guys. I'm just taking. Okay. Ramalakshmi, ma'am. Ramalakshmi, are you here?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vishnu.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Vishnu.
Present, ma'am.
The same name, like how you are repeating. First is Ramalakshmi, second is Vishnu Bhotla. Kindly speak, otherwise I'll have to mark absent. Okay. Lakhan Soni,
Present, ma'am.
Tanusha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepak Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya,
Present, ma'am.
Dinesh,
Present, ma'am.
Divya,
Present, ma'am.
Deepak Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Venkat,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul,
Present, ma'am.
Hari Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Sonali,
Present, ma'am.
Janvi,
Present, ma'am.
Nadi Minti,
Present, ma'am.
Raghav,
Present, ma'am.
Mary Priyanka, Mary Priyanka, are you here? Okay, Madhulata, Madhu, Mamta, Mamta, are you here? Ashish Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
Duba, Duba, are you here? Anubhav, Anubhav,
Present, ma'am.
okay. So, guys, Tanusha, are you here? I'm repeating the names of absentees. Are you here?
Yes, ma'am. I'm present.
Okay, okay. I could not hear you. Vishnu Bhotla, if you are here, kindly unmute and speak. Otherwise, marking absent. Mary Priyanka, Madhulata, Mamta, Duba. So you guys are absent. If you're not absent, kindly speak. Okay, fine. So you guys can leave now. Thank you, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Divya and Ashwini, you can leave.